Dr. Jaffe, what are the symptoms of an excess of toxic heavy metals in the body?
Well, toxic heavy metals are all around us now. They are lead, mercury, cadmium, arsenic, nickel, and aluminum. And they can be avoided if you have enough magnesium and choline citrate to help the body exclude toxic metals. If you have enough ascorbate to uh, take the heavy metals and escort them, chelate them, complex them, and remove them in urine, sweat, and stool. We probably get exposed to about 20 micrograms a day of toxic metals. And the first 2 grams, the first 2,000 milligrams of ascorbate you take in will be able to deal with that 20 micrograms of toxic metals. The symptoms are more or less ubiquitous. The symptoms include fatigue, nausea, diarrhea, headaches, dizziness, vision changes, irregular heartbeats, loss of appetite, confusion, nervousness, shortness of breath, weakness. Underlying all of those symptoms are a reduction in the ATP to ADP ratio. Your ATP should be high, your ADP should be low, your ATP should be 100, your ADP should be about 1. So you should have a lot of potential to be active and do the work of biology and the body. Check your morning urine pH. If you have metabolic acidosis with a urine pH of less than 6.5, increase to 3 or 4 doses a day of magnesium with a teaspoon of choline citrate to enhance the uptake, triple the uptake of magnesium, and correct the choline deficiency that is very common in people that have heavy metals or toxic metal burdens. So clean your room biologically and not anymore be burdened by pervasive but manageable toxic metals.